So let's create the Python file in basic strong recursion package. Let's call it string subsequence. And now let's start off by creating the function to return all the subsequences present in a given word. So get subsequence. This will return all the subsequences present in this word passed to this function. So first we need to get the first character of the string. This is word 0, which is the first character, and for the remaining string we're going to call the same function recursively. So this get subsequence call here with the remaining string will give us all the subsequences present in this substring, which is starting from the second character, or you can say from the first index, and all these subsequences in rest will be separated by comma. Now we're going to take a for loop to iterate over all these subsequences present in this rest. So for all the string subsequences in rest, but we need to split them by comma because it's a single string and we need to split all the subsequences by comma. Now we're going to take result, a variable. You know that the final result is the first character concatenated with all the substrings plus all the substrings already present there. So let's do this. The string having all the substrings is the result we want to return. So we will keep concatenating all the substrings in this. So first we're gonna add the first character to all the substrings, and next is for result equals to result plus comma. We have to add commas between the substrings, right? And then the string subsequences, str sub. So this is the result we want. So, but before returning this result, we need to do a thing. And this is, we have to exclude the first character because the first character is comma, as we're starting with comma here. And then finally, we will return this result. Now coming to the base case, if the size of the string is 0, then we just return the empty string. So if length of the word is 0, then return empty string. That's it. Now let's invoke this function and print all the subsequences, get subsequence, all the subsequences of XYZ. Let's run this. So see, these are all the subsequences of XYZ.